Hey everyone, it's me, and today I'm going to film a makeup collection video. I've filmed some before, or filmed one before. It's like one of my most popular videos, and my vanity has changed a lot. I've also bought like so much makeup, it's not okay. And a lot of people are asking for an updated makeup collection, so I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do that. I got a new camera. It's the EOS M50 from Canon. It's a mirrorless camera and it's really good, I think. I mean, I could get that zoom. I was gonna change, but I'm not going to, so this is what I'm wearing today. This is my vanity overall. Let me tuck this chair in real quick. This is my vanity. If you haven't seen my other makeup collection video, it's pretty much the same. I just kind of arranged it differently, but the shelf itself is from IKEA. It was pretty cheap. It was like $25, and then I got brackets underneath it, so those each were $4, so plus 8, 25 plus 8 is 33. Yeah, 33. Yeah, so this chair also is from IKEA. I didn't buy it, my sisters did. I just changed into this chair because the stool, which I did have, hurt my butt. And when I'm doing makeup for 2 hours, like, I don't know, I just wanted to lean back for a second because you can't even see me, I'm not even in the frame. I just felt like I just needed to like lean back and just do my eyebrows like with the back. Personal preference, whatever. This chair also has a very, like, it has no stability at all, especially on carpet, so I fall over all the time. If you watched some of Rachel's videos, she had this nightstand. It's a nightstand. I bought this originally, and then I got a different nightstand, so I gave it to Rachel, and she started using it for makeup, and then she got another thing, so now it's back here with me. I guess we'll just start with this one. Also, I'm not going to go in depth with a lot of the stuff because if I showed you all of my makeup, it would be a mess. Like, literally, we'd be here for way too long. Also, I'm not sure if I like it from this high up, so I may move the camera down. I guess we'll just stay here because I don't really want to move it that much. Anyways, so I have this basket of items and I just keep some of my face products in here. This is going to be so stupid. So I keep all my face products in here. I have my Fenty, you can't even see it. I have like the Fenty matchsticks. It's a pack of 3. Here's some used lashes. I don't even know what style they are. This is not their container either. This angle is not good. Hold on, I actually am going to change it because I'm getting a little paranoid. Much better. Okay, so back to what I was saying. I just keep like a bunch of random stuff in here. It's mainly the foundations that I don't use a lot, but I want to try, or I don't know. I have some Fenty oh my god! I have the Fenty foundation right here, and then I have the primer too, the Pro Filter Primer. Rachel gave me both of these. I did not buy them, so thank you, Rachel. I have some highlighters in here too. Just, you can gaze amongst. That didn't make sense. That's the gist of this. There's also some setting sprays in here, but we're gonna put that back because it's not interesting. And then in this little black container right here, I have my beauty blenders. I really only use this one. Back here, I have more buckets, but these are stuff that I don't use very often. It's just like lip products. I've been looking for that chapstick. It's just like random lipsticks. So then I have right here all my ColourPop eyeshadows. I have a lot and I never use them. They're actually dusty. I don't know if you see that, right? There's dust all over it. I'm not gonna go through those. This is another one of these clear bucket things. If you're wondering where I got these from, I have no idea. I actually didn't buy them. I think it was the Container Store. Rachel bought them, which is the story of my life. I feel like Rachel buys everything and just gives it to me, which is good because I need, yeah. I just have a bunch of glitters in here. I probably have like 60 plus. That's a lie. It's probably only like 30. This is my favorite brand of glitter. It's from Glitter My World. All of their glitters are $1, like with, they're like $1.10. And they have so many colors and they have different styles too. I also have some, these are actually they're my favorite eyeshadows to use. It's the ColourPop Supernova Liquid Eyeshadows. I think they're not gonna make them anymore and that makes me really upset because they're very good, but whatever. I hope they come up with more colors, but I think they're just going to discontinue it, which sucks. I have a bunch of lipsticks in here. I'm not going to show you. They're mainly ColourPop and Wet n Wild, the catsuit lipsticks, like these ones. I have like 9 of these, and they're all here. I'm not going to show you them because that is so boring. I can't deal with it. So in this drawer, I have a bunch of junk. So in this drawer, I have like a bunch of different, nah, really. It's just like extra things. So I have a ton of lashes, like they're all like stacked. I have more lashes. I have these shadow shields, which are really convenient for if you're doing makeup on someone else. I have moisturizers and face masks right there. And that's the most interesting that that drawer gets. So we're going to move on to the actually interesting things. And I'm going to take my camera off the tripod for this. Am I? This is just a better view of my vanity. If you're wondering where my mirror is from, it's from Amazon. I don't know what brand it is, but like, I'll put it in the description. And this like gives a lot of lights or whatever. Let me just show you. And it's touchscreen, so you can like change it to this one or like more daylight settings. These are from IKEA. I just left them up. Originally, like, I just had those 2 lights, and it was tragic because I had no light, and I always looked a mess. This helps. This is the most expensive thing on my vanity right now. It's $120. But I figured it's an investment. I didn't have to buy lights. It's also portable, so I can take it to college if I go to college, which I will, but I don't know. I'm going to go to this side. Everything in my drawers are usually organized by things that I use the most. Up here, I have primers, moisturizers, and oh, I just realized my microphone's in front, so you probably won't hear anything I'm saying. Oh, this is stressful. Hold on. Wait. I don't even know. What am I? Oh, come on. Ah. I keep sprays up here. I have, oh, well, this is a primer that I've been using a lot. It's the Poreless Too Faced primer. This is another thing I've been using a lot. It's the Hangover primer setting spray. So now we're gonna move on to the drawers. We'll go top to bottom. Here's actually stuff. It's like stick highlighters and highlighters that I don't use a lot, and then eyeshadows that I haven't tried yet that I don't know. This is my brow drawer for the most part. So I have 3 different pomades from Anastasia. I know, it's crazy. I have the ColourPop one, and then I have the e.l.f. one. Y'all know I was like a really big fan of it. I haven't used it recently just because I've started to use the Anastasia ones again. This is a gross. It was clear. I use it for brow gel. I'm actually really embarrassed of this. Oh no. Oh, I can't show that anymore. And then I have some brow pencils. If you've never tried these CoverGirl brow pencils, they are so bomb. They're so good. Next drawer is my blush drawer. It is mainly Wet n Wild. I don't have a ton of blushes because I don't know. I just don't. Here is kind of a pathetic drawer. It's kind of puny. I have my butter bronzer because that's the only bronzer and contour I need for my skin tone. Next, this drawer is all Urban Decay lip glosses. I literally have not tried any of them. So here is my foundation drawer, and these are my favorite foundations or ones that I've been trying to use more. L'Oreal Pro Glow is my favorite foundation ever. I like this side of my drawers better. I have this thing. I really only use it to mix foundations. I don't even know what it's called. I have a sleek highlighting palette. I'll open it. Then I have two Jouer highlighters, the mini sizes. One is citrine and one is rose gold. If you've never tried citrine, it's really pretty. And then I have 2 skin frosts back there. And here's my Fenty lip gloss because we're bougie. I'm getting sleepy. Here's my highlighting drawer. I have 3 Artist Couture highlighters. I have Cocoa Bling, Illuminati, and Gold Digger is one of these 3. I have Flexitarian, my favorite ColourPop highlighter. Here's another highlighting drawer. So surprising, right? Next drawer, mascaras, eyeliners. I don't really need to talk about this too much except for this is my favorite mascara at the moment. It's the Maybelline Lash Stiletto. Next drawer is my highlighting, like cream highlighters and like primers in a tube drawer. That makes sense? They're actually good. What is that? You got some allowance money, girly?
Girl, ain't no allowance. I just be balling.
I'll tell you what happened. So basically, I wanted to go to Kaya's house and Mom wouldn't let me. and then she called in Kara. I told Mom I would pay her $20 if she let me go. And then Kara, Phoebe, sit down, baby. So Mom called in Kara, and then she was like, okay, should I let Rachel go? And then if she does, she'll pay Phoebe by herself and give you $20. So Kara said I should go, and then I gave her $20.
I can't stop. Ow! You're giving me scoliosis.
And I get to go to Kaya.
What is she doing?
And I can't go anywhere for like 2 weeks. She likes money.
Stop! You're making her mad. Stop!
So I know I filmed, I had to whisper because my family's asleep, I forgot. Okay, I filmed, my palettes and whatever, but I can't find the footage anywhere, so, I'm sorry. I'll probably do a separate video on, like, all the palettes that I have eventually, but, yeah, don't hate me. That was my makeup collection. I don't want to say how much everything cost me. Probably a lot. I actually can't even count. I don't want to count either because that would make me really upset. What is it? Hello? What is it? No one answers me in this house. If you guys want to see some more vlog type videos with my new camera, let me know because I should get my license soon. I can actually have a whole video in itself because I'm 17 and I still can't drive. Even though I've had a car for 6 months, I cannot drive. It's just a whole situation. So if you want to know a little bit more about that.
Yeah, it must not be very hard for you because you don't have to imagine. You just have to be.
It's my $30 shampoo. I bought more. Use RC10 for 10% off your order. I forgot what I was saying.
Thank you guys for watching. I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, if you want to see more vlog type videos, let me know because I literally will film it. I think I'm actually wanting to do more of that kind of stuff because I love makeup or whatever, but I think it's just boring to do the same thing over and over again. And I just want, what do you guys want to see? Because I bought this $1,000 camera, you know, and if I'm going to be filming videos, which I love to do, I want to make sure you guys love to watch it. I'm so over outros. I'm just gonna like stop it. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.